Dr. Bortenschlager, thank you for being with us here today. Current processing trends and requirements for plastics. Where is the journey headed, and what role do silicons, especially silicon elastomers, play here?
I can just tell you that the last years was a big challenge, especially for the European community. So we have huge cost pressure on energy, also labor costs, and that means for the materials, the requirements go high, that processability gets better and more cost efficient. And this is where we're heading, especially for silicon rubber, because the material we are offering, for example, is very easy to process in a very effective manner.
Europe is facing enormous challenges: climate neutrality, the Green Deal, reducing greenhouse gases, and switching to renewable energy. Just to name a few. Key here is generating enough green electricity and a corresponding expansion of the power grids. What role do silicons play here?
I would even say a vital role, a decisive role even, because if you want to really get there where we want to be in 10 or 20 years from now, you need to roughly triple the energy grid that is there. And it's basically, you need components in a huge amount of numbers, and only silicons is the only material there that allows for it to produce high quality for these standards in a very high number and high quality.
Let's talk about K specifically. What are your expectations? What do you hope to achieve with your stand at K this year?
So the K Fair is every time, I would say, a special occasion for us, and we will hope at least to welcome a lot of visitors. And of course, also something like a trend pyramid, I would say, where we see, okay, do we set the right trends? Is this really accepted by the market? And in the end, of course, to get and talk about new projects beyond maybe the mega trends we know today for the next K Fair.
Great. Well, thank you so much for your time. We look forward to seeing you soon.
Thank you.